Good morning, y'all. Well, while I'm cooking breakfast, or part of it, hold on. While I'm cooking breakfast here, I thought I'd bring y'all up to date on what's been going on. This is some Jimmy Dean sausage that I'm cooking on my little electric skillet here. Well, let me see. Where do I start? Well, we've done some of everything. We've gotten medical stuff done, visiting, hanging out with folks, did some upkeep on the camper. We've just been busy. We have been busy. And yesterday I had medical procedure, not anything, I mean tests. I'll just go ahead and say it. Colonoscopy. So that was fun. Yeah, have not picked up the camera that much. And I don't know if that was on purpose or we just been in the mode. We kind of got here and got in home mode. And I say home mode because it almost felt like we got here and got back into feeling like it was when we lived here. We were, extremely busy. Every day was, we got to go here, we got to go there. We took care of some stuff at the storage. We're gonna change some of that around. It was. I can't say I felt like we lost our freedom, but it was just like, okay, this is where we used to live. This is what we used to do. So that was interesting to me. As I was sitting there yesterday, waiting on the doctor to do his thing, I was thinking about that. So what are we gonna do today? Well, we got to clean up a little bit. We were gone. So we are tag teaming this morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, people.
As y'all know about the eggs thing, she likes to separate the whatever that is in there. And I was surprised. I was surprised at the number of people that said that they do the same thing.
My people.
Yep, I was surprised at that the number of people said they do the same thing. So Lynn's gonna cook eggs, and so yeah. Just lay it on there, Liddy. There you go. Breakfast is served. Alright, y'all. As usual, I'm out here doing something. So today we're going to change the oil in the generator. Straightforward. Take the oil out. Take the filter off. Do all that. Put oil back in. You should be good. We're going to see. And Ken's over there laughing because a lot of times when we do stuff, like yesterday, I had the hardest time finding all the stuff, the filter, the oil, and all that stuff for this thing. But
it's only took him 30 minutes to assemble all that.
Oh yeah. Then I had to get all the other stuff together, prepping. Always check with your campground to see if they will allow you to do this. This campground said sure. Just make sure I don't get anything on the rocks. So our prep is keep oil from getting on the rocks. This soft stuff helps me. And then we gotta save your old Folgers coffee cans for dumping oil in. So we're gonna do this. Now here, that's where I gotta open that, and it'll drip the oil out of a hose down here. Theoretically, yeah. And we'll let that drain, and then we'll go to work. And when I looked up under here the other day, the hose sits just far enough off of the metal that it's going to cause a little bit of it to drip right on the metal. Yeah. So let me line this. Line that up. Oh, that wasn't even tight at all. Well, it was tight, but not. I don't want it to come out. Don't want this thing to come all the way out either. Okay. All right. Was there any oil in it?
Crack your top.
Crack the top.
Yeah, put that on the edge of your metal. It might absorb it and it'll dry and drop on it.
Yeah.
And dry powered.
What in the world? No, it's all in it.
There's not a stopcock on the hose, is it?
No, this is the hose. Because it goes right straight down. And I don't want to take it all the way out because then it's gone.
Mm-hmm. Is there a dirt dauber nest in your hose?
It's all up in there.
You may have to take something and clear your hose.
Let me see.
You might have some debris or something up in the hose.
It might be.
What you got that will fit in there?
Probably a screwdriver.
What that?
And that. I told y'all. So, all right. Let me see. And I know y'all gonna. Oh, I dropped y'all. Sorry about that. All right. Right here is where that hose is. I don't know. This might be too long. I don't know what that is. Yep, there's something up in there. I don't know what in the world. Okay. Oh. Now. still something in there.
Straightforward and easy.
Yeah, straightforward, right. There's still something up in there. There we go. All right. Wow. A $25 charge. That. And there we go. It's coming out now. Wouldn't have never thought that. But so now we wait.
Yeah.
And we wait.
Feel Sunday.
All right, we got the filter out. Put it in the coffee cup. Then we got our other filter here, our replacement. And so now I'm gonna put this one back in. It's got a little cover there. That's interesting. And just screw it in. It's going in fine. And I've got one of these little things here. Bought that from the store. And it makes it easy to take it off and put it on.
And you should probably keep an extension handy.
And you should probably keep an extension handy, as my friend is telling me here, because I had a hard time finding my extension. And I'm going to just get it good hand tight. Don't over tighten it just because you got a ratchet. Get it good and hand tight there. Well, all right, we got everything put back together. We don't have any leaks or anything like that. We've run the generator. Everything seems to be in order. I'm gonna say that's a wrap. That's it.
Only took 10 minutes.
On video, it only took 10 minutes. But I had to find tools, all that kind of stuff. If you got this little gadget right here, go ahead and find your extension, because you're gonna need that to take it off and put it on. And other than that, we good. All right, we'll see y'all later. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, enjoy the journey on the way to your destination.
Every campsite, we build a new bond, finding joy in the quiet, a magical pond. Through captures and clips, we share the delight. Together we rise, brighter than the night. Enjoy the journey on the way to your destination. We're all about the banks, we're all about the banks. We live in the tree, with laughter and love. We're a perfect team. We're a perfect team. Inspire each heart to take the lead. Join our journey. In God's grace we see.